So Islam gave a solution for a problem. When a woman is sick and she don't have a life and she wants to live with a man, not to live alone, then Islam gave the right for her to join a man if she has another woman in a very hard situation.
Todėl Islamas rado išeitį tokiai problemai, jeigu moteris yra viena ir jai yra labai sunku, žinoma, tik prie labai sunkių sąlygų, jinai gali tiesiog prisijungti prie kitos šeimos.
The man must have money enough.
Vyras turi turėti pakankamai pinigų išlaikyti šiai moteriai ir savo dar oficialiai žmonai.
Enough big house.
Turi būti pakankamai didelis namas abiems žmonoms ir visiems vaikams.
Be fair.
Jis turi būti teisingas abiems žmonoms tolygiai.
And protection.
Ir jas abi apginti.
Because she's anyway living alone. Because anyway she was alone in this situation.
Jinai gyveno viena ir neturėjo jokių
Anyway, it is
o dabar jinai gyvena kartu.
It's not our subject.
Turi tokias pačias teisės ir pareigas kaip ir jo žmona.
But it's not our subject anyway.
Bet tai ne mūsų šiandienos tema.
Please, we stay in the rule of the mind and the logic. Please.
Yes, I know that Islam has some denominations like Sunnis, Shiites, some denominations.
It could be wrong. 96. It could be maybe 95.
96% musulmonų yra sunitai.
Shiite is the 2 or 3 or 4%.
Šaitų yra tik tai apie
3 or 4.
Apie 3-4%.
And they are concentrated in the region of Iran.
Jie yra daugiausiai Irane.
And around it. Like Afghanistan, Pakistan,
Pakistaną, Afganistaną.
Part from Iraq.
Ir dalyje Irako.
So, the Shiite problem is political problem.
Šiitai turi politinį problemą.
The Iranians want to manipulate this religion to reach for political agenda in the Middle East.
Iranas manipuliuoja šiomis šiitų problemomis tam, kad pasiekti vakarų.
So the Shiite supported America in the war. They supported America in the Iraq war, the Shiite.
Šiitai parėmė Ameriką kariaujant su Iraku.
To reach for a political position in Iraq.
Tam, kad įgytų stabilias politinės pozicijas Irake.
The dream of the Shiite is to spread their ideology in the Middle East.
Šiitų didžiausia svajonė yra išsiplėsti kuo toliau į viduriniuosius rytus ir todėl jie dėl to kovoja.
The Shiite is from the Iranians. That is the way from the Iranians to go over Islam, because Islam Sunnitin was the Arabs defeated the Persian in that old days. When Islam starts stronger, they defeat the Persians. They were the strongest. The Muslims, they defeat the country, they're defeated. And after that, the Iranians take Islam, and for the Islam they change it for Shiite, and they start saying the cousin of Muhammad should be the ruler, the president, and not the other normal Muslims. And it wasn't like this because Islam have democracy, everybody must choose. We don't practice it now, yes, but it was like this. And for this reason the problems start, and they want to spread the ideology of Shiite because they think the Sunnitin want to press them, because they think they are correct, but they are 4%, 5%, but in Iraq we have large numbers of them. And we are now in a civil conflict with the Shiite, and this is what America wants.
Vyksta civilinis konfliktas tarp sunitų ir šiitų.
No, he understands.
Jam atsakė.
Did that answer the question, or you have two parts questions?
And how do you stand? What is the right, Sunnis or Shiites from the Quran point of view?
I could never say what's correct. I don't have the right. I just could say everybody has the right to read and to study with logic. I just can say that Shiite is a small biraik, so small
Sritis.
branch. Sritis. It's a small branch of the main Islam, and they are very small and have different interpretation for the Quran. Like in many religions, we have small religious groups spreading. So the Shiite comes small, and they not represent Islam in any way. Nobody is converting Shiite. When any Muslim or a new Muslim in Europe become Muslim, he become normal, Sunnite. But Nobody know about that. But I think you understand. But
Buvo paklausta, kas remiantis Koranu, kas yra teisingesni, ar tie, kurie yra sunitai, ar šiitai. Buvo atsakyta, kad šiitai yra tik tai labai maža atšaka pačios islamo religijos. Ir šiaip jau, kuomet žmogus atsiverčia į islamą arba gimsta būdamas musulmonų, tai jisai dažniausiai tampa sunitų. Ir šiitai tiesiog kitaip interpretuoja Koraną, o pas kalbėtojas atsisakė vertinti, kurie yra teisingesni, nes kiekvienas turi teisę pats skaityti Koraną ir pats tai vertinti.
So they interpret the Islam different when they say Ali, the cousin of Muhammad, he have the right because he's a holy man. But it's not written in Quran. You see, if you want to discuss with me about anything, you must tell me, see like this. I am person, follow resource. Written, Ali, I take it. For example, if a Christian, like my brother, tell me, I believe Jesus Christ is died for me and he's God, and I pray for him. I said, perfect. If you show me the whole Bible, one sentence, Jesus said, I am God and worship me. One sentence, I become now Christian. And in front of the video I say it, I become now Christian. If you show me one sentence in the Bible, Jesus said, I am God and worship me. Show it to me once. Nobody can show it, because it doesn't exist. So, in the same thing we talk about Islam. For these people to say, okay, I want you to criticize Islam. Say this sentence. I want you to criticize.
Aš noriu, kad jūs kritikuotumėte
It is
islamą.
great.
Tai yra puiku.
It is enriching our brain to think.
Tai verčia mūsų smegenis mąstyti.
But if somebody wants to talk, no problem. Just tell me, here it is.
Tiesiog, jeigu jūs norite
Okay, I see
kažką
it.
pasakyti, sukritikuoti, jūs man turite parodyti, kur taip yra parašyta.
But not from
Ir tada
media.
aš tai priimsiu, bet tai neturi būti parašyta laikraščiuose, žurnaluose, ar pasakyta per žinias, ar kažkokia laidoje.